Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be the January of Boxycharm. So we did Ipsy. My hubby is texting me. I turned up the heat, turned down the heat. Okay, because he knows. I'm a hot mama. I'm hot. I sweat. I have hot flashes. I have night sweats. I turned the heat down. Way down. Anyway, Boxycharm. We did our Ipsy. I was not thrilled with Ipsy. Actually, pretty much 90% of what was in my Ipsy box is going to go in a giveaway. And this actually, you know, I got to knock something off. It's in this bag right here. So there may be some things from Boxycharm going in there. I don't know. I've peeked inside, but I haven't taken everything out and looked at it. So let's get into it. Boxycharm. There's my little paper. I did peek. I was hoping I got the Too Faced highlighter, and I didn't, so I'm mad. I know that's one thing I didn't get, was the Too Faced highlighter. But I did get this Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Mask, and I'm excited about that. So here is the Glow Recipe. I cannot wait to get into this. I seriously can't. Let me look at my little card here. Skin & Co. Nope, that's not the one. Glow Recipe Watermelon Sleepy Mask. This recipe's for recipes. No, I've not had any beer this evening, or wine, or mixed drinks. I'm just, yeah. It retails for $22. So I guess that's this. Is that this size? This is glass. This is a glass jar. That's is really nice. So Watermelon Sleepy Mask, bouncy, breathable sleepy mask that soothes, perfects skin overnight. A pillow-proof formula, so it's not going to get all over your pillows. Acts as a radiance-boosting face mask, formulated with soothing, amino acid-rich watermelon extract, hydrating hyaluronic acid, and pore-refining AHAs, and guys, I need that work while you sleep to gently exfoliate and clarify. So, does it smell like watermelon? Because I want to know. Is it sealed? It's got a, it's not, it's got a little dilly do on the top, but it's not. Oh my God. Oh my God, that smells so good. Oh, that feels really good. That feels really good. I cannot wait to use that tonight. I'm using that tonight. Yes. I'm using that tonight. Oh my gosh, yes. So $22. And the other thing I read off looks like this. Skin & Co. Roma Truffle Therapy Face Gommage. I don't know. A delicate exfoliating cream with a rich texture and soothing fragrance. Truffle Therapy Face Gommage is a lush formula combining the best of the iconic Mediterranean lifestyle and the luxury Italian spa experience. A beauty cabinet staple, the Truffle Therapy Face Gommage features sweet almond oil, apricot, sea powder, yes, black winter truffle extract, yes. It's a powerful free radical scavenger that reduces signs of aging, gently buff away and erase dull, lackluster skin, revealing a more luminous and healthy complexion. So it's a face wash. It's a directions. Apply a liberal amount over face and neck, gently massage for 2 minutes, avoiding eye area. Remove with a damp, lukewarm face towel and pat dry. Use 2 to 3 times a week. So it's a treatment. It's a treatment. It's not like an everyday face wash. So it is a treatment. And guys, that's a lot. This is 5.07 fluid ounces, and this retails for $28. So I mean, this is heavy. So I'm debating on if I want to keep this or give it to one of you guys. But that's a treatment. I thought it was a face wash. And I still got 2 face washes in my shower from Boxycharm. The Glam Glow one and another one. There's another one in there that I'm using. Okay, what are you? Ooh, I like the packaging. This is Queen, and it's got like a dragon. Oh, there you go. What are you? Queen Studio Matte Liquid Lip Stain. If you're a full coverage enthusiast, the Matte liquid lip stain is your hero. Our extremely pigmented formula gives you a true matte finish in one coat with 12-hour performance. Retails for $17. Okay, well, let's see. Is that the shade? The shade is Thick Skin. God, we all need some thick skin every once in a while, don't we? Well, I just tore the packaging up, so you know I tear it up. Oh, okay. I think I just got lipstick on me. No. No, Shannon, no. Touch-ups. Okay. So this is actually more of a peachy shade. But it says Thick Skin. Okay. Regular doe foot. Doesn't have a smell. It doesn't have a taste. We'll see how that dries. And that retailed for $17. That actually looks pretty good on me. All right, what is next? A concealer. Pretty Vulgar Concealer. Where are you? Undercover Concealer is a lightweight gel serum concealer formulated to be hydrating, buildable, and provide medium coverage with a natural, flawless finish. Infused with vitamin E and... I'm not even. To keep the skin moisturized and to rejuvenate and improve the skin's appearance. The ankle doe foot applicator is easy to use precisely. I can't talk anyway. They give me these words. It's like 20 letters long. Okay. Precisely applies the velvety soft formula to visibly brighten the complexion and cover dark circles. This blendable long-wearing concealer is great for all skin types. This retails for $25. I already have makeup on. But it's just a very light... Oh, it is angled. Look at that. And... Oh, this is very orange. Why? Pretty Vulgar. Why? Oh, and it's really dark. Well, I mean... Oh, no. I mean, I can make that work. It'll work. It's just not brightening. It's not. See how orange that looks on me? It looks, oh my gosh, no. Ugh. But as far as like the dark circles, yes, it will cover that up. I mean, you see it right there, but it's dark. It's not brightening. So if you just want something to conceal and match, yeah, that'll work. I wish they'd have sent me one shade lighter, but I mean, it'll do. So there we go. Pretty Vulgar. And last but not least is Ace Beauty beaut'e palette. This eyeshadow palette features 12 colors that are reminiscent of the beautiful sunrises and sunsets witnessed in various locations around the world. So I bet I have these colors in a dozen other palettes that I have. Each color has been carefully milled and pressed to provide the easiest application and the most excellent color payoff. And I want to get this off the back of my hand before I get it all over me, that concealer. I have not looked at these colors. I think I saw it on Boxycharm's Instagram, but I absolutely love their packaging. I loved the other palette that we have. I don't know if I still have that palette or not, just because, again, I had those colors. And, oh, that is beautiful. That is beautiful. That is beautiful. That's beautiful. I love those oranges. Oh my God, and the berries. Okay, I'm keeping. All right, so love this. I'm not gonna swatch them. We will do a look with this. I still gotta use my storybook. I'm not even used my storybook. Why does that look so dark now? That we got in December. I set it back there and I've not used it. So this one retails for, might as well say $35, $34.99. So overall, not a bad box. I just wish they had sent me like one shade lighter in the concealer, but I mean, I can still use it. It's no big deal. I mean, I can still use it. It's just kind of dark for me. I mean, it's almost a perfect match. As if I wanted to match my skin tone, it's a little on the orange side, but it'd still match. But to brighten that under eye, it's dark. I mean, see, I can get away with that. It's just really dark. Tap out a little powder here. And then let's take a little brush. See, to me, it's just very dark. So, I don't know. That might be something I use to cover up blemishes and not the actual under eye area. Because look how dark that looks now compared to what it did. I mean, it's a really nice concealer. As you guys can see, I'm up close and personal. It's not bad looking on the skin, but you can just see how much darker this looks now. Shoot. But everything else was pretty good. So I would call this an okay box. It's the first box of the year, so it's not like I can't compare it to anything. But not bad. I will try the skin treatment. I can't wait to try the watermelon mask. The lippy is actually feeling really nice on my lips. And I do like that color. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. Let me know. Oh, and this was the Variation 21. That's what I got. So let me know down below if you get it and what did you get? What was your favorite thing? And if you'd like to sign up for Boxycharm, I will have a link down below. And you can hit that link and sign up. You get a free gift. I get a free gift. That's all there is to it. All right, guys. I will see you on the next one.